Welcome back to Contain Your Life. It could be doing everything right for your health, but still feel like you're running on empty. What if I told you that the real problem isn't what you're doing, but the tiny, seemingly harmless habits you don't even notice? Today, we're exposing 10 silent habits that are quietly damaging your health and energy. These aren't extreme behaviors like staying up all night or eating junk food for every meal. They're the everyday things most of us do without a second thought. But over time, they add up, taking a serious toll on your energy, your digestion, your sleep, your hormones, and even your immune system. By the end of this video, you'll not only recognize these habits, but also have simple, actionable fixes to start feeling better immediately. First up, number 1, drinking coffee before water. I know for many of us, coffee is the first thing we reach for. But when you wake up, your body is already dehydrated from a long night's sleep. Pouring coffee, a diuretic, into your system first thing can worsen that dehydration and spike your cortisol. That stress hormone right at the start of your day. The fix is so simple. Just drink 1 full glass of water when you wake up. Give it about 15 to 30 minutes to hydrate your cells, and then go ahead and enjoy that morning coffee. You'll find it actually feels better and gives you a much cleaner energy boost. Habit number 2 is skipping morning sunlight. How many of us roll out of bed and stay inside until we have to leave for work? Getting natural sunlight within the first hour of waking is a game changer. It helps set your body's internal clock, your circadian rhythm, which improves your mood, boosts vitamin D production, and dramatically enhances your sleep quality later that night. The fix: spend just 10 to 20 minutes outside in the morning. If you can, do it without sunglasses to let the light directly hit your eyes. It's a short walk. Sipping your water on the porch all counts. Next, number 3, eating while distracted. We're all guilty of this, scrolling through our phones, watching TV, or working through lunch. When your brain is distracted, it can't send the right signals to your digestive system to work efficiently. This leads to poor digestion, bloating, and often mindless overeating because you aren't paying attention to your body's fullness cues. So here's the fix. Sit down for your meals. Put the screens away. Slow down, chew your food thoroughly, and actually taste it. You'll enjoy your food more, and your digestion will thank you for it. Silent habit number 4 is mouth breathing. This might sound strange, but chronic mouth breathing, especially at night, can seriously impact your health. It can lead to poor sleep quality, increased anxiety, dry mouth, and even long-term dental problems. Our noses are designed to filter and warm the air we breathe. The fix is to become more conscious of your breathing during the day. Practice gentle nasal breathing. If you're congested, address the root cause with a saline spray or by seeing a doctor. Making this switch can improve your sleep and lower your stress levels. Number 5 is a big one: scrolling before sleep. The blue light from your phone, tablet, or computer screen tricks your brain into thinking it's still daytime. This suppresses the release of melatonin, the hormone that tells your body it's time to sleep. Beyond the light, the constant stream of information keeps your mind stimulated and anxious when it should be winding down. The solution is simple but requires discipline. Create a digital sunset. Power down all screens at least 60 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. Use that time to read a book, listen to calm music, or just chat with a loved one in low light. Habit number 6 is relying on ultra-processed snacks. Those convenient granola bars, crackers, and chips might seem like a quick fix when you're hungry, but they're often packed with sugar, unhealthy fats, and chemicals that send your blood sugar on a roller coaster. This leads to energy crashes, inflammation, and an unhappy gut. The fix is to prioritize whole food snacks. Think an apple with almond butter, a handful of nuts, Greek yogurt, or some veggie sticks with hummus. These provide a stable source of energy with protein, fiber, and healthy fats. Number 7, no morning movement. Do you ever wake up feeling stiff and achy? It's often because your joints and muscles have been inactive all night. Jumping straight into your day without any movement can lead to chronic stiffness and reduced mobility over time. But you don't need a full workout. The fix is just 5 minutes of gentle stretching or movement when you wake up. Some simple neck rolls, cat-cow stretches, or forward folds can wake up your body, improve blood flow, and set a positive tone for your day. Coming in at number 8 is having a poor sleep routine. Our bodies thrive on consistency. When you go to bed and wake up at different times every day, especially on the weekends, you confuse your body's internal clock. This is like giving yourself a mini dose of jet lag every weekend, making it that much harder to wake up on Monday morning. The fix is to establish a consistent sleep schedule. Aim to go to bed and wake up within the same 1-hour window every single day, even on weekends. Your body will reward you with more consistent energy. Habit number 9 is eating at inconsistent times. Just like with sleep, your metabolism and digestive system love a routine. Skipping meals or eating at completely random times throughout the day can spike your stress hormone cortisol and throw your metabolism out of whack. This can lead to cravings, energy dips, and weight management issues. The fix is to aim for meal regularity. Try to eat your balanced meals at roughly the same times each day. This helps stabilize your blood sugar and keeps your energy steady. And finally, number 10, suppressing your emotions. We're often taught to just suck it up and push through tough feelings. But chronically bottling up your emotions, like stress, anger, or sadness, is a major source of internal stress. This has been linked to increased inflammation, chronic fatigue, and a weakened immune system. Emotions are energy, and that energy needs to go somewhere. The fix is to find a healthy outlet. Journal your thoughts, talk things out with a trusted friend or therapist, or move your body through exercise. Don't let it get stuck inside. True, lasting health isn't built overnight with some drastic new diet or workout plan. It's built in the small, consistent habits you practice every single day. Start by picking just 1 or 2 of these habits to work on, and you'll be amazed at how much better you can feel. If this video helped you identify a habit you want to change, let us know in the comments below. And if you found this valuable, please hit that like button, subscribe to Contain Your Life for more tips, and share this with someone you know who might need to hear it. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.